the kind baker. Once upon a time, in a little village with green fields and babbling brook, there was a girl named Emma. Everyone loved Emma because she was really good at baking tasty treats. People came from nearby places just to try her yummy pastries. One sunny day, Emma saw an old lady sitting alone on the bench in the village square. The old lady looked tired and hungry. Emma felt sorry for her and decided to help. She offered the old lady a basket full of freshly baked bread and warm soup. The old lady was so happy and said, "Thank you, kind friend. May your happiness bring you unexpected joy." Emma smiled and went about her day, not thinking too much about the old lady words. Little did she know, something magical was about to happen. The next morning, when Emma opened her bakery, she found a special oven in the corner. This oven wasn't like any other. It could make endless amounts of delicious pastries. The whole village was filled with the sweet smell of treats. Emma was thrilled. She realized that the old lady was probably a magical being, thanking her for being kind. Emma decided to share these magical pastries with everyone in the village. Word spread, and soon people from faraway places came to taste Emma's enchanted pastry. The village became lively and bustling with happy visitors. But Emma stayed the same, always humble. She kept baking for the joy of giving, never asking for money for her magical treats. The village became a friendly place where people from different backgrounds came together to enjoy the tasty pastries and each other's company. And so, in the heart of the village, a story was born. The story of Emma, the kind baker. It taught everyone that the true magic comes from being kind and sharing with others. The delicious smell of Emma's pastries floated through the air, a reminder that the best moment in life comes from a heart full of kindness.